today we are making tiny diamond. It's going to be a little tiny troll doll, and we're going to use foil for the body, and then we'll wrap it up with some masking tape. So we're just using the foil so we can get the shape. So it's going to look like a basic little stick figure at first. Now I have some masking tape, so I'm just going to wrap this all around very tight in lots of layers. Time to work on the ears. You may have made your tiny diamond have skinnier legs or maybe a smaller tummy. That's okay, you can make it any way you want. Now make sure to secure the ears really well to the head. And you might have to add more layers so that you have a smooth surface and it's not too bumpy. Time for the best part. It's time to cover this tiny diamond with glitter. So I'm mixing silver with white glitter because I don't have enough of the silver glitter. I'm just going to give it a little stir, and then I'm going to coat the body with glue, and I'll use a brush to wipe off the excess so we don't have any dripping glitter running off of this. time to add details. So here's some diamond earrings. For the hair, I was lucky to have this feather boa, so I just cut some of that off. At first I was going to use some cotton puffs, but it was just too flimsy and falling apart, so I had to cut some feathers off of this little boa that I had around the house. Carefully cut the shape of a troll nose with a little piece of felt. Cover it with glue and then add a little more glitter. Time to work on the smile. For the eyes, I'm using a little bit of Play-Doh, and it'll dry hard soon. It will just take a couple of days, but I'm going to go ahead and put it on right now. At Play-Doh, you can also use some white cardboard. You can use some cardboard for the glasses, but I'm going to use some black felt, and I'll use a plastic container for the lenses, and then I'll color them with a light yellowish green color. This is it, the final step, putting on the glasses. Now it's time to let him model. He looks cute under the light here, but let's go see how he looks in the sunlight. Oh, sparkly! It's hurting my eyes. Just kidding, but I hope that you enjoyed this video and you like this little idea. Thanks for watching. Now I'm going to take a tiny diamond outside. The sun is setting, but if the sun was out, it would be very, very sparkly right now. Here's our parakeet Peep. Peep, check out our little friend. It's the same size as you.
Hello, I'm Tiny Diamond. Nice to meet you. Ah, get away from me. Oh, come on, let's be friends.
Okay, let's be friends. Bye.